Yeah. So before we get into showing you the machine, let's jump into some video montage footage. Stay tuned.
Let's go.
So here's where I show you the aftermath. Like a dummy, I put the camera up and I stopped it because we were taking the motor and the box. It comes with a vent box. I was taking all that stuff out to be able to fit in the door, but I forgot to turn it back on. So machine's here. Unfortunately, you guys didn't get to see it sliding in through here, sitting right there. Got a little trench in my backyard now, so gotta deal with that. It's about probably 6 inches deep over there, but it's in here. We'll do a quick little walk around. Controller's still wrapped up, so gotta do that. Blocks are still on here. Had some, this is where all the tool holders are. Looks like one of them fell out of the tool changer up there. I'll go around here and show you guys what I got. So the doors are of course off. I think you might be able to see them. They're back there. Those are separate because they were already off when they're at the shop that I bought it from. And here we got tool holders. That's awesome. Saved me some money. Give you a little shot of the ATC. Next up, probably the next video I'll do is probably taking off all the way covers, cleaning everything up. You can see a bunch of chips over here. When we were taking off the motor here, taking that off, taking these guys off, the drag chain, wire guide kind of stuff. It is super dirty up here. I'll give you a shot. So I'm going to be doing a lot of initial maintenance and cleanup before I get my phase converter in here to hook that up. But figured I'll do a little walk around. You got coolant tank that I'm now straddling. Is inside the back panel. This is, I guess, where all the main power comes in. What is this? Oh, this must be for the vent box up there. That's neat. A little controller. Plug in. That's in like a nice little, nice to have. Doesn't typically come with the Fadal. So there's everything on the inside. Do a little walk around, going around to the back. Here's, I guess, the main. This is where all the controller cards and drivers are. You can see there's RS-232 port, and then you got the flood and the mist plugins. Opening this up. There we go. I haven't studied these too much, but it looks very similar to some of the stepper stuff I've been working on. It's all shoved over there. So it looks like maybe it's drivers, controller boards down here maybe. Ooh, look at this. Comes with fuses. Awesome. Could probably use that. I think, oh, yeah, they go right up there. Neat. Some of this stuff looks pretty decent. As I stated before, I probably have to go get a USB or some other connection type. I got the RS-232 port here. Where does that go? It goes over here. Figure out some way for me to communicate with it. I was thinking about getting the USB controller board from Fadal CNC or Ethernet, or I don't know. I'm still working on it. I do want to probably get a new light, just to, you know, more light's better. This one I think works perfectly fine, but I kind of want a big bright LED. This is nice. It comes with a little stand. This will, I think I saw other pictures of this. It attaches right up here. Oh yeah, I can see the holes. So I don't know if I'll put it on or not. We'll see, but for now it's in, and I gotta clean up. Oh, it comes with, I got some free straps too. They came with the machine. These are like super heavy duty, like off-road straps. If you were to go, you know, in your Jeep or something off-road. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry for the missed content, but hopefully this will be good enough. And thanks for following along. See you next time.